Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginners. In Module 2, we're diving into Python's core building blocks, from understanding its syntax and variables to exploring operators, strings, and essential data structures. If you're excited to build solid foundation in Python, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Let's begin with Python syntax. One of the standout features of Python is its clean, readable style. Unlike many other languages, Python uses indentation to define code blocks. This means the layout of your code isn't just for show, it's part of the language logic. Comments are marked with the hashtag symbol are used to explain your code, making it easier for you and others to understand what each part does. We'll also touch on P8, the style guide for Python, to help you write clean, readable code. Now let's talk about variables. In Python, you can create variables simply by assigning it value. There's no need to declare its type explicitly thanks to dynamic typing. For example, let's see this code. Here we've created an integer, float, string, and boolean. Python automatically understands their types. If you ever need to convert one type to another, you can use type conversion functions like int, float, or str. See the output for one of the function. Understanding Python syntax and variables lays the groundwork for writing clean, efficient code. Let's move on to explore how we perform calculations and comparisons with operators. Operators are the tools you use to perform calculations, compare values, and make decisions in your code. Let's start with arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are symbols used to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next, we have assignment operators. Assignment operators assign the value of an expression to a variable. These let you assign values to variables, and Python supports both simple assignments like x equals 5 as well as compound assignments like x plus and equal 3. Comparison operators let you compare values using double equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. These operators are essential for control flow in your programs. Logical operators compare two values and return either true or false. Logical operators are an operator or operator and not operator allow you to build complex conditions, while Python also provides bitwise operators for low-level operations, though we'll just cover the basics today. By mastering these operators and expressions, you're well on your way to writing logic that drives your programs. Strings are one of the most commonly used data types in Python. They're sequences of characters that can be manipulated in various ways. You can define string using single quotes, double quotes, or even triple quotes for multi-line strings. Let's talk about escape sequence in strings. It is a combination of characters that represent something other than the literal characters themselves. We use escape sequences in strings like /n for a new line to help you format strings properly. Here are some of mostly used escape sequences in the strings. And if you need to avoid processing escape sequences, you can create raw strings by prefixing the string with an R. Python offers many powerful string methods. You can concatenate strings with the plus operator, slice them to get substrings, and even format them using fstrings or the format function method. Other useful methods include split, join, upper, and lower, all of which let you manipulate text data with ease. Now let's dive into Python's built-in data structures. These structures help you organize and manipulate collections of data efficiently. Lists are ordered mutable collections. You can index, slice, and modify them using a variety of built-in methods. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable, meaning once created, they cannot be changed. They're great for storing fixed data. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs, making them perfect for when you need to access data by a unique key. Finally, sets are unordered collections of unique elements. They're great for performing mathematical operations like unions, intersections, and differences. By mastering these data structures, you'll be able to choose the right tool for organizing your data, whether you need mutability, order, or uniqueness. That wraps up Module 2. Today, we covered Python syntax and variables, explored operators and expressions, delved into string manipulations, and got hands-on with essential data structures. With these fundamentals in your toolkit, you're ready to build more complex programs. In our next module, we'll dive deeper into control flow and functions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.